Y'all, everything is flying off the shelves at Walmart right now. Walmart has just dropped some of their fall fashion, and I'm so excited because y'all, fall is my favorite season for fashion. I did go ahead and pick up some things that were still in stock, so hopefully everything will still be in stock by the time I get this video up to you. I'm going to try to get it up as quick as possible. If you are interested in picking any of these things up, I will have everything linked down in the video's description. Just look for the number that you see on the screen. And I do say a prayer at the end of my videos, so if you're interested in that, then make sure you stay to the end, and let's go ahead and get in this haul before all this stuff sells out. I am still waiting on 2 tops that were, that's 4, I do that all the time. I am still waiting on 2 tops that were supposed to be delivered yesterday with the rest of this stuff, but they are lost, I think. Hopefully they will arrive while I'm doing this video. If not, I'll put them on the screen for you because they're so cute. And if they do end up arriving, I will show them in my next Walmart haul. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and start with this sweater and these jeans. Both of these pieces are by the brand Free Assembly. I did get the top in a small and the jeans in a 4. Let's go ahead and go over the top because this cute little button-up cardigan is really nice quality. It's nice and thick. It's made really well from what I can tell. I love this cute little pattern, but it does come in a few different color options. It does have a nice longer cuff right here, which I do like. Matching buttons that go throughout. And I do like that it also has a more thick band at the bottom. I feel like it's really flattering. Sleeve length is really nice. And again, the quality is really, really nice and thick and looks really high end. I really like it. Now these jeans, I know are going to sell out super fast. So if you're interested, I would definitely add them to cart. This is definitely a more tailored waistline. It's high rise. I do have a pretty long torso. I will go ahead and put my measurements right here on the screen for you. And I do have an inverted triangle body type, which means broad shoulders, broad rib cage, not a lot of hips. And yeah, so hopefully that's helpful for you. They're very thick denim, not a whole lot of stretch to them. I wouldn't say there's no stretch, but the waistline is gonna suck you in, girl. It's gonna hold you in. If that's what you like, I would jump on these. But I really like them. The length is really good on me as well. And yeah, it's a really solid, good pair of denim. And again, these are gonna sell out so fast. Hopefully they're not sold out by the time this video goes up. The boots that I'm wearing, I'm not sure if I am even allowed to be showing these to you. They are a new release for fall from one of my favorite shoe brands called Vivea. So if you see it, then it's okay. If not, well, it's not going to matter because you're not going to see this anyways. But they are really nice. I love the color of them. They're a knit boot. All of their shoes are knit and they're really comfortable and really nice. So if I can link them below, I will absolutely do so. All right, so keeping with the same floral theme is this dress by Free Assembly. This is one of the items that is selling out really, really fast. It does come in a couple color options, so if you're interested, I would snatch it up. I think you'd be happy with any of the color options because this is made really, really nicely. The knit on this is nice and tight and soft and cozy. It's very, very comfortable. This will be such a good one for transitioning into colder weather because you could put on like some, you know, higher boots. If it's a little chilly out, throw on maybe a little denim jacket and you'll be good to go. So I can see why this one is selling out really fast. Next, I want to talk about this purse. I did pick this up to go with one of those tops that has not arrived yet. I do want to show it to you because I think it is really cute and the price point on this is really good as well. It's giving Hermes with the little buckle up front, and the buckle does actually work. I'm not sure like what you would use it for because it doesn't really serve a purpose, but it is functional if you wanted to like leave it open. Then I love that it has silver hardware. It does come with a couple of accessories that you can of course take off. It comes with like a little chain, a little like coin purse. It does have this, which is Madden NYC. And then it has some really cute cherries. Cherries are still popular. If I was to wear this, I would just leave the cherries on and take this part off. I thought that would be really cute. And it does come with a crossbody strap as well. And then the inside is really nice. There's a lot of room in it. Perfect for an everyday purse. You can like take it to the office. And then it does have a little zipper pocket on the inside. But I thought this was really cute. I love the color of it. And so I wanted to show it to you. It would have went really cute with the outfit that I had planned for it to go with, but whatever, it's fine. All right, I'll be right back with another outfit. All right, so here is the next dress. This dress is actually by the brand Scoop. I got it in my true size small, and I think it fits absolutely perfect. This one does come in, I think, 3 different color options, black being an option, and I thought that this would be a really nice, maybe updated little black dress for you if you were, you know, on the market for one. I do think this one would be a really good option. I love the silhouette of this. It is so flattering with the ruche kind of detail right here, and I just think this is so pretty. I love the neckline. I think it's very elegant and modest. It is not completely lined. It's lined to about right here. This one is a pull-on style. There's no zipper because the fabric is very stretchy, and I just thought this was a very elegant dress that you could wear maybe to some office parties come, you know, the holiday season coming up, or, you know, a date night, maybe even a good wedding dress. But it just feels really good on the skin, moves well with you, and yeah, I really like it. All right, y'all, I am so excited for this next dress by Free Assembly. There are so many details about this dress that I think are really unique and just really fun. So let's go over some of the details. It does have a zipper that does have some little, I guess, tassels or strings right here, but the zipper does go all the way down to here. So you can unzip it and just step right into the dress. You don't have to worry about it messing up your makeup or your hair or getting makeup on it. I love that feature in a dress. And then it has a kind of a unique waistline, I would say. The back of it has a little bit of gathering right here, so it's going to be nice and fitted in the waist to give you a really nice shape. And then it has some pleating that really makes the dress go out, and again, helping give that really pretty hourglass figure, which I absolutely don't have, so I am all about clothes that do that for me. And then has really, really deep pockets. And then it has this really interesting front slit to it. I don't think I've seen a lot of dresses made like this, but I think this is so genius because it's gonna be perfect for fall and winter when you're wearing your knee-high boots. You'll be able to see them when you're walking because, you know, they'll kind of like peek through the slit right there. And then I like the neckline right here. It does have like a little bit of ruffle detail right there. And then if you wanted to have like a deeper V right here, you could always unzip it a little bit. But I just think this dress is so unique and so fun. I'm so excited about the direction that Free Assembly is going in. So this next dress is by the brand Scoop. I do believe they brought this back from last year and just added it in some of their newer color options. Gray is a very popular color this year, and I just feel like this kind of gives it a more sporty look. This is made with their scuba fabric, and I really do like the design on this one. This one also does have a zipper front. You can't step into it, at least I couldn't. It's not open big enough for that. And I like that it has this little style right here, which again is giving you a very flattering figure. The length is really nice. I have it styled with some sneakers, and I just think this is really, really cute. Perfect for transitioning into colder weather, and this one is definitely going to fly off the shelves as well. All right, y'all, so we are in luck. It's the next day and my package did arrive, and not only do I have 2 items to show you, but I have 3. So let's start with this top. This top is by the brand Scoop. I immediately picked this up when I saw it. I first saw it in store when I was doing my Walmart shop with me I'll have that linked below, and I knew I had to have it. It does have a pretty thick, wide cuff right here that is really gonna like hold you in, give you a good figure, and it's gonna go so good with so many different bottoms, wide leg pants like I have on today, several different skirts. I could picture this with like a pencil skirt or like an A-line skirt. It does have a little bit of gathering right here, but nothing too exaggerated. And then it has a little bit of like a cute feminine sleeve. But oh, I love this so much. Now let's talk about these pants, because y'all, these pants are on sale from $30 down to $13. And last time I checked yesterday, they did have multiple colors in stock. I just went ahead and got the black, but I love these pants so much. I'm definitely going to pick up some more if they have some more in my size. They are, I would say they're kind of like a linen material. They don't have really any stretch to them. I did get them in a size 4, which is my true size. I think they fit really nicely. It does have belt loops, and it really does kind of help suck you in with a little bit more of a wider belt area. Again, not a lot of stretch, but they make the booty look good. The length is amazing. And yeah, if these are still in stock in your size, I would definitely jump on these. I did style them with these heels. These are also by Vivea. If you are on the hunt for some really comfortable heels, I would definitely recommend checking these out because I can wear these all day. No problem. Here's the other top that arrived today. This one is by Jessica Simpson. The price on this is really good. It's only $22, which for Jessica Simpson, I feel like that's really good. Some of her stuff tends to be a little bit more on the pricier side, at least for Walmart. And when I saw this, it just screamed fall to me. And then once it arrived, I was like, oh yes, this is a good one. It does have this really beautiful lace detail. I didn't realize that it was actually kind of see-through until I put it on. So you might want to wear a little cami under this. But the lace detail does go all the way down, and it does come across here. It also has some really pretty lace detail around the neckline. The neckline is very elegant. And then even on the back, there is a little bit of a ruffle detail that kind of gives it, you know, a little bit more of like a peplum-esque shape to it. So another one that's going to give you that beautiful hourglass figure. The back of it does have a keyhole right here, and I just thought it was just so beautiful. The sides right here are completely covered, and this is definitely another one that you could wear several different ways. I think those jeans that I wore earlier, I think it would look really good with that as well. When you could definitely wear it to the office, or even like a little date night. You could really dress this up if you wanted to, and I just think it's so stinking cute. All right, y'all, so we made it to the end of the haul, and I knew I was going to like this dress, but y'all, I love this dress. It is by the brand Scoop. I love the color of it, and the knit on this is so buttery, silky soft. It really does remind me of their scuba material. It's like they somehow turned that material into a knit, and it just feels so good against the skin. Let's go over some of the details. Now, at first glance, you would think that this dress was, you know, you could unbutton this all the way down, but you can't. This button and then on up are the only functional buttons on this dress. The rest of them are stitched. I thought was a really nice touch because you don't have to worry about one of these buttons popping open when you're wearing it. I love the high slit that it has. Another one that you're really going to be able to see those knee-high boots that you're wearing. I should have wore these boots with the other dress, but I wasn't thinking about it at the time. And I just love the silhouette of this dress, and I just think this is so beautiful. The color on this is really pretty as well. It's very unique. I know this is going to sell off the rack, so if you are interested, I would definitely pick it up. If you found any value from this video or any entertainment or just want to be really awesome, I would greatly appreciate it if you'd hit that like button. It helps out my channel so much and I greatly appreciate your support. We are at the point in my video where I do say a prayer. If you're not interested in that, that is totally fine. But before you go, I just want to say thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me. I will have some more videos down in the video's description, and I hope to hang out with you real soon in my next video. If you are staying for the prayer, I just want to let you know real quick that you are more than welcome to send me any prayer requests you may have. My Instagram and my email address are always down in the video's description, and I'll be more than happy to pray for you in my own personal prayer life. I would never pray for you on my channel. But right now, I just want to say a prayer for all of us, so if you would like to pray with me. Heavenly Father, I come to you now with thanksgiving. I just first of all want to say thank you so much for all that you are doing in our lives, the things we see, the things we don't see. I just thank you so much, God. And I just want to lift up my viewer to you right now. Lord, you know everything that is going on in their lives. You are there with them through all the pain, through all the laughter, and there is nothing in their lives that is too difficult for you. So I just pray, God, as we go about our week, that your will would be done in our lives, that you would give us wisdom and discernment, that you would be our great provider and our great healer. I pray for miracles this week, God, that you would move mountains that only you can move, and that you would just reveal yourself to my viewer in such a mighty way that there's just no way that they could think that it was from anybody but you, God. I just thank you so much for all that you're doing in our lives, for all the things that you're doing through this channel, and for the amazing people that you have brought this way. I pray that you protect us, our loved ones, our children, our friends, as we go about our week. And I just thank you so much. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. All right. Thank you so much for staying for the prayer. Let me know if you have any prayer requests. If you made it this far, let's do a palm tree so we can hang on to summer just a little while longer. And I hope to hang out with you real soon in my next video. Bye!